Hello, students. Hope you are preparing well for your examinations. As most of you might have not noticed that there are some changes or addition in the latest textbook. If you are referring the old textbook, kindly have a look at these changes or additions made in the new textbooks. Chapter 3 of Geography, Water Resources. In this, do you know Atal Bahujan Yojana, Atal Jal, is being implemented in 8,220 water-stressed gram panchayats of 229 administrative blocks, taluks in 80 districts of 7 states, visually Gujarat, Haryana, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, and Uttar Pradesh. The selected states account for about 37% of the total number of water-stressed, overexploited, critical, and semi-critical blocks in India. One of the key aspects of Atal Jal is to bring in behavioral change in the community from the prevailing attitude of consumption to conservation and smart water management. The source is from Annual Report, Ministry of Jal Shakti Government of India, 2022-23. One more addition to the chapter is, do you know Sardar Sarovar Dam has been built over the Narmada River in Gujarat? This is one of the largest water resources projects of India, covering 4 states: Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, and Rajasthan. The Sardar Sarovar project would meet the requirement of water in drought-prone and desert areas. Sardar Sarovar project will provide irrigation facilities to 18.45 lakh hectare of land, covering 3,112 villages in 15 districts of Gujarat. It will also irrigate 2,46,000 hectare of land in the strategic desert districts of Barmer and Jalore in Rajasthan and 37,500 hectare in the tribal hilly tract of Maharashtra through lift. About 75% of the command area in Gujarat is drought prone, while entire command in Rajasthan is drought. Assured water supply will soon make this area drought proof. Source is from Sardar Sarovar Narmada Nigam Limited. So one more addition to the same chapter, water resources. Do you know Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchay Yojana? Some of the board objectives of this program are to enhance the physical access of water on the farm and expand cultivable area under assured irrigation. Har Khet Ko Pani. Improve on farm water use efficiency to reduce wastage and increase availability both in duration and extent. Irrigation and other water saving technologies per drop, more drop, and introduce the sustainable water conservation practices, etc. So one more addition in the same chapter, water resources. Do you know? Do you know that the Krishna Godavari dispute is due to the objections raised by Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh governments? It is regarding the diversion of more water at Koyna by the Maharashtra government for a multi-purpose project. This would reduce downstream flow in their states with adverse consequences for agriculture and industry. These many additions are there in water resource chapter. Coming to the next chapter, manufacturing industries. In manufacturing industries, the first cement plant was set up in Chennai in 1904. After independence, the history expanded. So only this much addition is there in the chapter, manufacturing industries. Coming to the next third chapter, gender, religion and caste. It is from democratic politics. In this chapter, page number 35, Information on Women Reservation Act 2023 had been added. Women organizations and activities had been demanding a similar reservation of at least 1/3 of seats in Lok Sabha and state assemblies for women. A bill with this proposal was pending before the parliament for many decades. In 2023, Nari Shakti Vandan Abhiniyam, Women's Reservation Act 2023, has been passed, which will give 33% reservation of seats Lok Sabha, state legislative assemblies, and also Delhi Assembly. Page number 36, this addition has been made, and the page number 36 cartoon was there and that has been deleted. Then one more addition to the same chapter is page number 36. Consider the following second point changed. Human rights groups in our country have demanded that the government should take special steps to prevent communal riots and protect religious minorities. And in page number 43, picture deleted. These many changes have been made in the chapter gender, religion and caste. Coming to the political parties, chapter 4, two parties have been added, and page number 45 and 55, AITC, CPI and NCP are deleted. Let's have a look at the new two parties have been recognized as national political. Aam Aadmi Party, AAP, formed on 26 November 2012. Following the 2011 anti-corruption movement, the party was founded on the idea of accountability, clean administration, transparency, and good governance. In this year, after its formation, AAP emerged as the largest party in the Delhi Legislative Assembly election. It formed a government with the support of Indian National Congress (INC). It also emerged as the third front in the policies of Gujarat after 2022 Gujarat Legislative Assembly election. Presently, AAP formed governments in Punjab and Delhi. In the Lok Sabha election held in 2019, it secured one seat in the Lok Sabha. One more party which has been added in the latest textbook is National People's Party, NPP. You should also check the symbol of both the parties. So, National People's Party, NPP, formed in July 2013 under the leadership of P.A. Sangma. NPP is the first political party from Northeast India to have attained the status of national party. It believes in diversity of the country and recognizes that different regions have different developmental challenges. The core philosophy of the party is education and employment to all, as well as empowerment of all sections of the society. It formed government in Meghalaya and has presence in many of northeastern states. In the Lok Sabha election held in 2019, NPP secured one seat in Lok Sabha. Coming to the next chapter, Rise of Nationalism in Europe. This is a history, first chapter. Let's have a look at what has been. One such individual was the Italian revolutionary Giuseppe Mazzini, born in Geneva in 1805. In the world textbook, it is given 1807. Please make a note of it. It is 1805. He became a member of the secret society of Carbonari. Next, economics chapter 1, development. So the changes have been made. Page number 13, data in table 1.6. Some data recording India and its neighbors for 2021. So developmental report, have a look at it children and go through and compare and see what all the changes have been. Then one more chapter, money and credit. From this chapter, page number 49, graph 2 has been changed. Compare with the book you have and note down the changes and prepare accordingly. Hope it is clear. Thank you.